In this video, you'll learn how to create a project in Claude AI. Whether you're organizing prompts, collaborating with others, or just keeping your work tidy, projects are a simple way to keep everything related to a task in one place. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own browser. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Claude.ai. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser window, then press enter. Wait a moment for the site to load. If you already have an account and you're logged in, you'll land on the main Claude interface. If you're not logged in, you may be prompted to sign in or create an account before you can continue. Go ahead and do that so you can access all the features we're about to use. Once you're on the main Claude AI page, take a look at the left side of your screen. There's a sidebar there with different options like your recent chats and other navigation items. Move your mouse over that left sidebar to make sure it's fully visible. You're looking for the section labeled Projects. In some layouts, it might appear as a word, an icon, or both. When you see Projects, click on it. If you prefer, you can also go directly to the Projects page by typing claude.ai/projects into your browser's address bar and pressing Enter. Both methods take you to the same place, the projects area, where all your existing projects are listed and where you can create new ones. Now that you're on the projects page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled New Project with a plus sign next to it. This is the button you'll use whenever you want to start a new project. Go ahead and click on the New Project button. After you click it, a new panel or dialog box will appear asking for some basic details about your project. The most important field here is the name. Click into the name field and type a clear, descriptive title for your project. For example, you might use something like Marketing Plan Draft, Code Review Assistant, or Research on Climate Policy. Choose something that will make sense to you later, especially if you expect to create multiple projects over time. Taking a moment to pick a meaningful name can save you time down the road. It helps you quickly recognize what each project is for, especially when your list grows. Depending on the interface, you may also have optional fields like a short description or other settings, but for now, all you need to do is provide a name. Once you're happy with the project name, confirm or save it. After that, Claude AI will create the project and open it for you. You'll now be inside your new project space, ready to start adding conversations, prompts, and any other content related to that specific topic. From here, you can return to the projects section at any time to switch between projects or create new ones using the same steps you just followed.